Cinnamon is a brown, sweet-smelling spice that comes from the dried inner bark of a tree native to Sri Lanka and neighbouring regions. In medieval times, it was worth more than gold due to its value and rarity. Cinnamon is rich in compounds like cinnamaldehyde, cinnamate, cinnamic acid, and essential oils. These give it natural, fungicidal, antibacterial, and antimicrobial properties. Here are 5 ways you can use cinnamon in your garden. Cinnamon can help stimulate root growth in plant cuttings. When you plant a cutting, simply apply cinnamon to the stem before planting. Many gardeners find it just as effective as commercial rooting hormones. You only need to apply it once, and it works for nearly all types of plants. Damping off disease is a common problem in plants, causing them to wilt and die just as they start to grow. Cinnamon can prevent this by killing the fungus that causes the disease. To use, sprinkle cinnamon on the soil, around your soil. For older plants, you can make a cinnamon spray by mixing a spoonful or 2 of cinnamon in 1 liter warm water. Letting it steep overnight, straining it, and then spraying it on affected areas. Ants can be a major pest in gardens, greenhouses, and around houseplants. Cinnamon acts as a natural repellent because ants don't like to cross it. To keep ants away, sprinkle cinnamon in a line wherever ants are a problem. This simple barrier can help protect your plants from these tiny pests. Pruning is essential for healthy plant growth, but it can sometimes cause wounds that are prone to infection, especially if dirty tools are used. Applying cinnamon to these wounds can help them heal faster and prevent fungal infections. If you accidentally damage a plant with pruning shears or a weed whacker, dust the wound with cinnamon to promote healing and reduce the risk of infection. Rust is a fungal disease that can severely affect plants. While there's no foolproof treatment once rust has taken hold, cinnamon can help prevent it. Sprinkle cinnamon in the soil at planting time or between seasons to protect your plants. If rust does appear, it's best to remove and discard the affected plants to prevent the disease from spreading. Unfortunately, there is no guaranteed cure for rust once it infects plants, but cinnamon can help keep your garden healthier. I hope you found the video interesting. Please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends. Thank you very much.